Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Binance app. So all you have to do, so you just go up, clicking this sign here in app. So then it's going to take you in this. So when you click in this sign here in app, here it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on Referral. So then it's going to take you to next step here. So you just switch into open video. It's going to take a time to open video here. So when it's going to open video, it's going to show for you a list like this here, and you click here on standard referral here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to take a time to this to open video here this list. So then when it's going to show for you like this, and here you will find all wherever here you have on your Binance app here in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.